hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the things inside my go bag. So first, let us know what is a go bag. A go bag is a package or a bag wherein it includes all the essential materials that you need in order to survive a calamity or disaster like the typhoon, earthquake, or a volcanic eruption. Now that we know what is a go bag, let us now proceed to the things inside the go bag. First is the whistle, since it will help you call the attention of the rescuers or ng someone. Kasi pag nag-blow ka ng whistle, it means you need help or it is an SOS. Dito siya nakalagay sa labas or sa outer ng bag, parang keychain siya since para hindi mo na siya hanapin sa buong bag mo, para hindi mo nakalangkutin since maliit nga lang siya, mahirap hanapin sa loob. So sa side pocket naman, we have the wet wipes and the tissue, and the alcohol, and the face mask. Yan, here. We need these things para kahit papaano is malinis pa rin tayo. Malinis pa rin yung body natin, and malayo tayo sa bacteria and viruses, since yung bacteria and viruses nga is nakakapag-cause siya ng infections and diseases, ganon. So another side pocket naman is the bottled water to stay hydrated, of course, and the canned foods and the instant noodles or other foods like biscuits, since kapag pandemic is close yung mga stores and groceries, so we have to stock on our own. And next, for the main pocket ng ating go bag ay the important documents like the report card, PSA or birth certificate or the marriage contract or other important documents na nasa bahay nyo. And some valid IDs like the school ID and the passport. Kailangan siya for identification, gano'n, if mawala man kayo sa pamilya nyo or may walay kayo and hindi nyo na sila mahanap. Up next is the pocket money, the bills and the coins, of course, since kailangan rin natin what if may bibilin tayo, gano'n, or may need tayong i-purchase na nakalimutan natin i-bring sa go bag natin. Up next is this pouch wherein it stores or dito nakalagay yung mga materials or gadgets, things na more on technological side. Kumbaga yung ginagamitan ng technology, ng batteries, ganon. We have here the flashlight, of course, very handy if mawala ng power, ganon, since kadalasan naman during calamities is nawawalan talaga ng power para may source of light tayo. Of course, we need a battery kasi what if mawala ng battery yung flashlight natin, may pamalit tayo. Next is the compass. We need to bring compass din kasi even though may phone na tayo pang navigate ng direction or location natin, is may backup tayo kasi malolobat din yung phone natin. So, we need to bring a compass. Next is a phone. Extra phone, since what if mabagsak yung phone natin or mahulog yung phone natin, gano'n, mabasa, we have an extra pa rin. And of course, we need to power bank, pang charge yung phone natin if mag-run out na yung battery niya. Next is the wire or adapter ng phone natin, yung charger, since paano tayo mag-charge if wala tayong charger. Next is the first aid kit. Never dapat makalimutan to or mawala sa isang go bag, since it includes the medicines like the paracetamol and the biogesic, the thermometer wherein you can check your body temperature, the agua oxinada, the betadine, and the bandage para pag may sugat tayo or nagkaroon tayo ng sugat during the calamity or disaster is matitreat natin agad, since if hindi natin na-treat agad yun, maaari siyang mag-cause ng infection at maaring mas lumala pa siya. Up next is this one, a 2-in-1 fan and a emergency light. Ito, yung dinala ko since less yung space na nagagamit and mas less bit-bitin siya and less mabigat sa ating go bag. Convenient ang fan if may kasama tayong child and adult to ventilate them, and para na rin mataboy yung mga insects like the mosquito since it carries a dengue. Up next is the towel, since it does not only serve as a pamunas sa kapag basa tayo, it also serves as a kumot or a blanket at night and a protection na rin sa skin natin. Next is the extra clothes like jogging pants, t-shirts, jackets, since what if mabasa tayo, marumihan yung damit natin or masira ang damit natin. And take note that we should pick bright color or neon colors para madali tayo ma-identify or makita ng kung sino man or ng rescuers. And last, we also need to bring our toiletries or the personal hygiene things, since even though may disaster, we still need to take care of our personal health. It includes soap, shampoos, and other personal stuffs. And that's all. Ayun lang ang laman ng ating go bag. Just a friendly reminder lang na you can choose naman kahit anong bag, but I prefer a duffel bag since madali siyang bitbitan, like isasakbit mo lang siyang ganyan or pwede mo lang siyang bitbitan na ganito. And also, marami siyang pockets kaya mas magiging organized yung laman ng go bag mo. And also, do not panic or huwag kang mataranta pag may calamity or disaster. Just remain calm and remember the things or the tips or the protocols that we need to do during the pandemic. And that's all. Thank you.